Hi guys, welcome to Learn at Home. I'm Siddharth and you're most welcome in the series of PLC programming. In our previous video, we learned about on-delay timers. In this video, we are going to learn how to use multiple on-delay timers. So for this, just jump to our exercise. I have designed an exercise for you. We have a hardware of one NO push button, one NC push button and 5 lamps. What we have to do with this hardware, when we press the first NO push button, the lamp will glow. First lamp will glow continuously. The second lamp will glow after 10 seconds. Third lamp will glow after 20 seconds. Fourth lamp will glow after 30 seconds. And the fifth lamp will glow after 40 seconds. And when we press the NC push button, all lamps stop glowing. Okay, so how do we do it? Just switch to our simulator. In our previous video, we learned how to use on delay timer. So we are going to use 4 on delay timers for switching our LEDs. Okay, first use a examine if close and give the input address to it. Okay, we are going to use 4 on delay timer in this. So just copy the rung and paste the rung 4 times. Okay, so we are using 4 on delay timers. We can hold all this with the help of en bit of the timer. We are going to give all the rungs a holding. Okay, just don't waste our time, give the holdings to all. After that we can address them. I just gave the holding to all. Now we can address them. First I address the timers. Okay, this is T4 colon 0, T4 colon 1, T4 colon 2 and T4 colon 3. Okay, I just gave the address to all the timers. Here I am using the en bit for holding. So just copy the en bit and just change the timer address. Save the time in typing. Okay, so I just use the bit here and change the address of the timer. So here you can see when I will press the NO push button, all the timers will start counting. As I gave the preset value to all the timers 100, 200, 300 and 400. So the done bit will be high after 10 second, 20 second, 30 second and 40 second. So now we have to use our LEDs. So where I am going to use the LED. The first LED will glow instantly when I press the push button. So I can use the LED here and give the address to it. When I press the push button, the LED will glow continuously. Okay. And the rest of the LED I will use in the another rung. For this I am going to use the done bit of the all timers. So I am going to give the address to it of the timers. I'm going to use the first address, first done bit. Okay, and now I am going to give the address of second LED. Just copy the rung and paste rung below, paste rung below and paste rung below. I copied all the four. Now I am going to give the addresses to them. Colon 2, colon 3. Sorry, I just gave the wrong address to it. 3, and this is the fifth LED. Okay, now I have to change the timer's done bit address. This is the second timer and this is the third timer, and this is the fourth timer. Okay, now the second function is when I press the NC push button, all the LEDs will stop. Okay, so for this we are going to use the examine if close in every 4 rung of the timer. When I press the NC push button, this will go on false, and then the timer will reset, the LED will stop glowing. Okay, now just go to run mode, download run mode. Now here you can see this bit is high because this is a NC type push button, and when I press the NO push button, here you can see the LED is continuously glowing. After 10 seconds the second LED will glow, as you can see, and count 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds this will be glow. This will glow after 10 seconds. Here you can see the accumulator weight is counting. When the accumulator weight is 300, this LED is glowing, and now here if you find 400, this LED is glowing. If you want to switch all these LED off, just you have to press the NC push button and your all timers will reset to 0. Here you can see the accumulator weight is 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here. Okay, so you can use multiple timers like this for doing your function as your requirement, as your need. In our next video we are going to learn about off delay timer, how we use off delay timer, and the how the off delay timer is work. Okay, for this subscribe my channel, press the notification, press the bell icon, and when I upload the next video you will find that. Thank you so much.